today's piece, you will be practicing 3/4 time signature, dynamic contrast, articulation, and also you will be playing faster whenever you are ready. What I mean with that is that you have to start playing slow with a steady beat. As you keep your steady beat and you get better at the notes, then you can play faster. We have 20 measures in this piece and we have 3/4 time signature, which means we will count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 counts in each measure. Pay attention to the dynamics. Mezzo forte on the first 4 lines, and on the last line on measure 17 you have piano. Then on measure 19 you have forte. Forte! Right hand will start playing with finger 1 on treble C. Then on measure 9, left hand will be playing on bass C with finger 5. Watch legatos and watch staccatos. Slur mark, play legato, and then staccato. That's gonna be on measure 6 and measure 7. Then also on measure 19 and 20 we have the same thing. We're gonna have slur mark, which means play legato, but then these notes, the first count on measure 20 is going to be staccato. Watch these 2 rests at the end. They also count as silence, but they count. So it's 1, 2, 3. Look at measure 17 and measure 18. You have legato between hands. So you play connected with left hand and then right hand, but then you have on the right hand also staccato, so it's going to be short. There's many things we can color in this piece. For example, dynamics. Over here, mezzo forte, piano, and forte. Then you can highlight those notes that you play at the same time. Also, your time signature, circle the top number and write your counts in the middle of the 2 stabs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3 on measure, for example, 17, 18. Count 1 is for left hand, count 2 for right hand, count 3 for right hand. On measure 19 and measure 20, count 1, count 2, count 3, and it goes for both hands. That's why it's important writing your counts in the middle of the 2 stabs. Over here on top of the piece says quickly. This is a tempo mark and it's always located at the beginning of the piece. You know that you don't need to play quickly at the beginning. You first have to practice and get very good with a steady beat. Once you are steady and you know the notes, then you can start practicing quickly. Don't forget this rest over here. It's important that you count. Even though you don't play, you also need to count your rests. You can highlight them too, so you can see them and don't ignore them. Ready to practice on the piano? Our right hand, finger 1, is going to play on treble C, and left hand, finger 5, is going to play on bass C. Left hand won't play at all until measure number 9. We have 3 counts and we will play mezzo forte until measure 16. On measure 17 we have piano, and on measure 19 we have forte. And pay attention to your staccatos and legatos. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Left hand then, finger 5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then measure 17 is piano. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, forte, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You need to pay attention on measure 6 and measure 7 because you will have connected notes, legato, but then at the beginning of measure 7, you have staccato. 1, 2, 3, 1. See the staccato? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, dotted half note. So measure 5, 1, 2, 3, measure 6 is still connected, but that note is gonna be staccato. But don't disconnect from measure 6 to measure 7. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Same thing is going to happen from measure 19 to measure 20, but we will play with both hands. Legato, and then the note on the next measure is staccato. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. On measure 17 and 18, we will play piano. But see, we're going to have a legato between hands. So from left hand to right hand is legato, but then you have staccato dot also. So it's going to be like this. We do it piano. But remember how important is that connection, connecting the sound, because you have a slur, which means play legato. But then staccato. Let's do it with our dynamics. Piano, then forte. With right hand only, 1, 2, 3, and then C and F. Left hand, C, D, E, F. Together, 1, 2, 3, 1, forte. I hope this week you take the time to work slow with a steady beat, and then you can start speeding to play quickly, as the mark of expression on top of the piece says. Have a nice week!